Let's start with trick number one. Before moving forward, I just need to make sure that you have ChatGPT Plus, which costs $20 per month. Let me break down how this works. You go to your YouTube studio, and you can do this for any content platform that you want. They always give you data about your views and metrics. I downloaded a simple CSV and I wrote this exact prompt. Analyze this YouTube studio data and give me 3 data bag recommendations to hit my goal of 250k subscribers in the next 5 months. For every recommendation, call out the data behind it. Now there's something very, very important I've done in this prompt. I have specifically asked ChatGPT to tell me why have you given this recommendation. So while it is giving me all of that context, I know what part of my CSV is proof for this exact data. I'm not kidding, folks. You can go to my YouTube channel. I was at 80 or 90k 3 to 4 months ago, and right now we're at 273k. And it really, really helped us to get better ideas, to make it very, very surgical, to grow with a proper system. Trick number 2, you can actually start using AI as a content intern. Now there's one very, very cool feature that OpenAI has recently announced. It is so surprising how so few people know about it. How many of you have heard about GPT bots? GPT bots.
Yeah.
Such few people. This is absolutely incredible. Folks, this is going to change the game. OpenAI realized that people no longer want a generic chat GPT. Right? You waste so much time adding context. Act as a digital marketer who specializes in X, Y, Z. So much time goes wasted. But now, you can create a chat GPT who is personalized for your content, for your business. It knows exactly what you want as long as you know how to add context and how to put the right constraints. Let me show you how it works. Once you have the ChatGPT Plus plan, on the top left corner you will have a button that now says Explore. Once you click on Explore, you will have a list of ChatGPT bots. Imagine it is ChatGPT only, but just trained for a specific purpose. For example, OpenAI has already launched many ChatGPT bots that you can use for free. If you are a content creator or a creative individual who has a terrible time negotiating for his or her skills, the Negotiator GPT bot can help you negotiate. The creative writing coach can help you write better. The tech support advisor can help you set up small items in your office. All of them are trained by default. So I don't have to figure out how to prompt this, how to train this. Now you will be wondering, how do we set this up? It's super simple. I won't go through the step-by-step details, but I just want to show you how it works. Once you create a new GPT, you have create, where you set context, and in configure, you can add small details. You can also add documents, you can add PDFs, you can add as much content as you want. Now, as a content creator, a huge problem that you would be facing while using ChatGPT for scripts is that this doesn't sound like me. This is so robotic. The thing is, you're not using ChatGPT right. If you create a GPT bot and feed all of your human written scripts, it will learn from you. Once you have fed 20 scripts that you have written, and once you ask ChatGPT that, dude, can you just learn from my tone of voice? It will now understand what you're trying to do. But even after that, once you get the script, remember the flowchart. You have to build on top of it. It can never replace the nuance because with time your audience is also evolving. Now the crazy part is that OpenAI will soon launch a GPT store, which means that if you create a good GPT bot for content, you can have revenue sharing. It's almost like the new app store. And the crazy part here is that there was this one app called the iBeer app. You guys remember this app? Very simple app. It used to look as if you're drinking beer. And that time, these guys had the first movers advantage. You won't believe at one point, this app was making $20,000 every single day. It's incredible what you can do. And the biggest change is that now, one person will learn prompt engineering, one person will create a bot, and everybody else will learn on their own. In fact, folks, just one day ago, Google has launched Gemini, which is a chat GPT competitor. And it is said that it is way more stronger, way more creative than even ChatGPT. So we're moving in a very, very fast world. My advice for you would be that there are 2 things you need to care about. Number 1, your health and your mind. With so many AI tools coming in, it's a huge probability that your brain is going to get deteriorated. Even if you have all the time in this world without energy, it's of no use. The question is, where do we learn more? So folks, we have created in-depth tutorial videos, 1 hour long masterclasses on our YouTube channel. My name is Ansh Mehra, and if you scan this QR code, you will be redirected to our YouTube playlist where I have given step-by-step roadmaps on how you can use AI to build a legend career. This is no fluff, only stuff content, and once you watch the videos, you know how to sort it out. A lot of people say that, Ansh, how do we train our teams? How do we train our employees? We are here, but what about our family members? To help them, we have introduced a new domain called howtoprompt.in. Howtoprompt.in. This one single website has free videos, documentations, AI tools for all dedicated use cases. I hope this presentation gave you some inspiration. It's very, very important, folks, that you're not afraid of AI. This is a co-pilot. It's not a smart replacement for you. It's probably an intern who's slightly drunk. And once you see it that way, you will look at a completely different picture. But I will keep reminding you that study your first principles, build your community, because as a creator, you need people who trust you and your brand and your values. And of course, you can use AI to scale as fast as you can. This is my Instagram, anshmehra.in. I will be looking forward to your questions outside the venue because we have limited time here. With that being said, I hope that you're taking care of your mind and body. This is your friend Ansh Mehra signing out.
Thank you, Anne. Hey guys, something very important.